Hi guys, welcome back with my new video. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to create the header and footer different page. I have some example here, and I want to create the header and the footer different pages. So you check on this. So this is the first page, and the header is Microsoft Office Word, and the second page is the same, and the number of footer is number 1 and number 2. But I will continue to create one more paper, and the header of page is Microsoft Office Excel. And next, I continue to create one more paper, and the last header of the paper is Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So it means that you create the header and you want to different page. So sometimes you have a problem like this and you don't know how to show it. Okay, so I will to explain you step by step. Let's start do it all together. So first, you need to click on the Insert. Next, click on Header. And I choose the first style. And after, I type the title of header. Now I set the title of header is Microsoft Office Word. Next, I click on Close Header. And after, I need to create the footer. First, I click on Insert. Next, I click on Footer. And after, I click on this style. So, the first object is number 1, so here. Next, I click on Close Header. And after, I need one more paper. Click on Insert. And click on Page Break. So I will got one more paper after the first page, and the number of page is number 1 and number 2. That's right. The next page, I need different header. How can I do? Okay, so first I click on Layout and click on Breaks button, and next click on Page Break to insert one more paper. The title of the header is Microsoft Office Word, and I want to replace the title of the headers Microsoft Word to Microsoft Office Excel. I just double click on my header. Next, I click on Link to Previous. Next, I remove the place Words to Excel. Okay, the result means that the first page and second page is Microsoft Office Word, and the third page is Microsoft Excel. And if you want to change the number of pages start from the first page, you just click on the footer here and click on Links to Previous. Next, click on Page Number. And after, click on Format Page Number. Click on this box and enter number 1. It means that you want to the page number start from the number 1 page. Next, click on OK. Check the result together. The second page is start from number 1. Next, I click on Close Header. And after, I need one more paper, but the header's title is Microsoft Office PowerPoint. That is different first page, second page, and third page. So I need to do the same action that I show you. First, I click on Layout. Next, I click on Breaks button. I click on Next Page. So I will got one more paper here. Next, I double click on Header. To edit the header here, I click on Links to Previous again. Next, I change the word Excel to PowerPoint. And the page number is also, I need to change it. I click on Footer. Next, click on Links to Previous. It means that I want to close the action. Start from the third page to the fourth page. Next, I click on to Page Number again and click on Format Page Number and start number 1. Click OK. You see that the result of the fourth page is number 1 page. And you can check all together here. So the first page is Microsoft Office Word, and the page is number 1. That's correct. Number 2 is correct too. And number 3, paper is change the header title in Microsoft Office Excel. That is different the first page and second page. How about the fourth page? So the title of the header is Microsoft Office PowerPoint. About the page number will change also. It means that this page starts from the page number 1. Okay, with sharing to create the header different page, I finish. Thank you for your watching. See you in the video.